Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be guiding you on how to download the Hamster Kombat app on your device. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open up the Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Go ahead and search for Hamster Kombat. Now, you might see an app listed there, but that's not the one we're looking for. To get the correct app, you'll need to use Telegram. If you don't have Telegram installed yet, you can download it for free from either the Play Store or the App Store. Once you have Telegram installed, open it up. At the top right corner, you'll see a magnifying glass icon. Tap on that to bring up the search bar. Now, type in Hamster Kombat. And look for the one with a blue tick. This indicates it's the official bot for Hamster Kombat. Tap on the official bot, and then at the bottom of the screen, press the blue Start button. You'll receive a message back, and you'll want to select the option that says Play in one click. A prompt will appear, asking you to launch the web app. Hit Start, and it will load up the genuine Hamster Kombat app. You can skip through the brief tutorial if you'd like. And that's it. You're all set to start playing Hamster Kombat and mining your coins. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.